Even though artificial intelligence was created in the 1950s, in recent years it has evolved at great speed. And today, it's increasingly used in applications of all kinds, such as voice or image recognition, automatic translation, and so on. Following on its premise of being future-proof, Genexus has added the possibility of using artificial intelligence in our applications. The use of artificial intelligence algorithms is achieved by connecting with cognitive service providers through one unified API. That is to say, we can use the same methods and data types for all services, hiding the complexity of the connection with each. The providers we have access to are Watson from IBM, Cognitive Services from Microsoft, SAP Leonardo, Google Cloud Services, and Amazon Web Services. At present, we're working so that we can use algorithms developed by any provider, even by ourselves, using artificial intelligence languages. To install the artificial intelligence module, go to Knowledge Manager, Manage Module References. There you'll find a list of modules, including Genexus AI. We'll install it by clicking on the Install button. Once installed, you'll find the module below the References node of the KB Explorer, together with the Genexus core module. The AI functions available in Genexus are grouped in 4 submodules: audio, image, text, and video. With the audio module, we can transcribe audio to text, speech to text, or convert text to audio, text to speech. The image module allows us to classify an image, classify, detect faces, detect faces, detect objects in an image, detect objects, or the image scene, detect scene. And also, recognize a text that's within an image and convert it to written text, optical character recognition, OCR. In the text module, with detect language, we can detect the language of a text. With extract entities, we can extract the names of people, organizations, or cities. With key phrases, we can extract relevant phrases or words from the text. With sentiment analysis, we can detect whether the text is pessimistic or cheerful. And with translate, we can translate a text from one language to another. The video module allows us to process and use image analysis functions within the video. The configuration module is used to indicate the service provider we're going to work with, the credentials to access it, and other necessary values. Here's an example of image processing. It's detected that this is a photo in an open place. The building is recognized as the Taj Mahal, and there are also people. A man's face has also been detected. In the following example of audio processing, we'll see how a digitized voice reads the text aloud. We can choose to use a male or female voice.
The first question that comes up is, what is Genexus? Genexus is a tool that automatically generates software programs such as applications for the web and smart devices, always at the forefront of technological evolution.
The first question that comes up is, what is Genexus? Genexus is a tool that automatically generates software programs such as applications for the web and smart devices, always at the forefront of technological evolution.
The first question that comes up is, what is Genexus? Genexus is a tool that automatically generates software programs such as applications for the web and smart devices, always at the forefront of technological evolution.
It's worth pointing out that since Genexus can use different cognitive services, we can use the service that's more suitable to each task, thus achieving the best results. For more information about artificial intelligence in Genexus, read this wiki link.